Should you make your Twitter account professional? Want access to analytics, ads, and monetization? Here's how to switch your Twitter account to professional. So first, go ahead and open the X app, and then from here, click on your profile, select settings and privacy, and then select switch to professional. Tap continue to start the upgrade process. So choose a category that fits your niche. Options include creator, business, gaming, education, and more. Customize your profile, your category label will appear publicly, so you'll also unlock the professional dashboard. Explore new tools. Professional accounts gives you analytics, ads manager, and monetization options like ads revenue sharing. Pick a category that matches your content. Use analytics to track your performance and post consistently to qualify for monetization.